Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to repair their DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone. A replacement motor arm specifically designed for the left and right front and rear positions. This isn't just any replacement part. It's presented as an original accessory, which is a significant point for drone owners who value maintaining their equipment with genuine components. The primary benefit highlighted is its perfect match with the machine. When dealing with precision engineering like a drone, compatibility is paramount. An original part is engineered to fit seamlessly, ensuring that the structural integrity and balance of the drone are not compromised after repair. This perfect match also implies that the installation process should be straightforward, as the part is designed to integrate without modification. Speaking of installation, the information suggests it's easy to install and use. This is coupled with a mention of fine craftsmanship. Good craftsmanship in a drone part means precise manufacturing tolerances, which contributes to both the ease of installation and the overall performance and reliability of the repaired arm. It's designed to be a direct replacement, allowing a damaged original arm to be swapped out efficiently. Durability is another key feature emphasized. The part is described as durable, wear-resistant, and having a long lifetime. For a component like a motor arm, which is subject to vibrations and potential impacts, durability is essential for the longevity and safety of the drone. Wear resistance ensures that the part holds up over time, even with regular use, maintaining its structural integrity and function. A long lifetime means less frequent need for repairs or replacements down the line, saving time and money for the owner. There's also a note about making the device more beautiful. While the primary function of a motor arm is structural and functional, using an original or well-crafted replacement can restore the drone's original appearance, avoiding mismatched colors or textures that might result from using third-party parts. It helps in maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the high-end drone. In essence, this replacement motor arm is presented as a high-quality, original part designed specifically for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Its features like perfect compatibility, durability, wear resistance, long lifetime, and ease of installation make it an appealing option for drone owners needing to replace a damaged arm. The fine craftsmanship ensures it's not just a functional fix, but one that maintains the quality and potentially the appearance of the drone. It serves as a reliable way to get a damaged Mavic 3 Pro back in the air, ensuring the repair is done with a part that is intended to work flawlessly with the original system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.